Hello, Team Fairfax, and welcome to the January edition of our Cardinal Connection Assembly. This month, we are recognizing all of your achievements on iReady Reading as well as iReady Math. And then we are also going to recognize our honor and merit roll students. This assembly is recognizing our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders because we had so many people we had to split it apart. So let's get started. We've got iReady recognition this month. We're focused on 30 minutes because you guys were working hard on your diagnostic tests throughout the course of January and you didn't get to spend nearly enough time on your lessons. So I dropped it back to the 30 minutes and we're going to begin with our iReady Reading Rock Stars. From Mrs. Bissett's class, John Brestel, Dominic Damazet, Shelby Draper, Josh Dewey, Aubrey Fryer, Dakota Haydock, Karina Howard, Bethany Kirkpatrick, Mia Kolar, Mason Layton, Mason Ritchie, Julian Rojas, and Gabe Wagner. From Mrs. Campman's class, Caden Barnard, Natalie Beaumier, Gage Gorka, Ariana Hansen, Henry Hart, Kai Lipinski, Patrick Moore, Gabriella Pickett, Bailey Shook Sorgan, Aaron Thompson, and Connor Wakehoff. In Miss Neff's class, we have Jaden Bogovic, Emily Kogan, Justin Fellenstein, Taylor Gilchrist, Summer Holt, Benny Kirk, Peyton Libert, Grayson McKinney, Nick Sluga, Liam Walters, and Maya Zindarsik. In Mrs. Cindric's class, we have Tyler Burkhart, Olivia Canatano, Gigi Harps, Peyton Nolan, Reed Stuckert, and Charlie Yoke. From Miss Hill's class, we have Willow Arnold, Elena Cox, Elena Gagliardi, Mason Lahuda, Jack Sebring, and Charlie Zagaric. From Mrs. Klasurik's class, we have Belle Anderson, Martina Bajak, Brooke Barthelms, Jacob Brocious, Dania Caldwell, Mackenzie Funk, Dylan Gutu, Josh Plinkus, Nevaeh Payerchin, Gianna Rubino, Maria Schwickerath, Jake Stevenson, and L.A. Tomlin. In Mrs. Nowak's class, we have Katie Booth, R.J. Byram, Des Cook, Colin Epp, Caden Hadeen, Yanni Howard, Ashlyn McKinney, Mario Nuti, Brianne Pollock, and Lorelei Trifoletti. In Miss Burtis' class, we have Dylan Barthelms, Madeline Beaumier, Ashley Berger, Emmett Carney, Inavia Hobley-Smith, Reese Holland, Abby Nadasak, Haley Nadasak, Luke Palmer, and Juliana Stow. From Mrs. Riddle's class, we have Gianna Collini, Nick Cummins, Jolene Duke, Memphis Friel, Kaylee Hall, Reese Layton, Paxton Libert, Alexa Moss, Adam Musan, Krina Patel, and Bella Patterson. From Mr. Vinborg's class, we have Nathan DeFlorio, Anna DePoy, Joey Hart, Mallory Klingenberg, Bryn O'Neill, Christian Solis, Kira Stockman, Cedric Tongson, and Adriana Vukancic. Great work getting those minutes in for your iReady reading. Don't forget that we are trying to build a snowman. Have you checked out the bulletin board leading down to the lunchroom? I also shared it on today's announcements. All of us have a hat, meaning that we've passed 50 or more lessons combined as a class in reading and math at 80% or higher. Some of you have earned both arms, and some of the classes have even earned a set of eyeballs. But everybody also has at least one arm. We're trying to pass a combined total of 400 lessons to fully build our snowman. So keep going. Next up are our iReady mathematicians. From Mrs. Bissett's class, John Brestel, Dominic Damazet, Shelby Draper, Josh Dewey, Aubrey Fryer, Dakota Haydock, Karina Howard, Bethany Kirkpatrick, Mia Kolar, Mason Layton, Mason Ritchie, Julian Rojas, Gabe Wagner. From Mrs. Campman's class, Caden Barnard, Natalie Beaumier, Gage Gorka, Ariana Hansen, Henry Hart, Juliana Iosu, Kai Lipinski, Gabriella Pickett, Aaron Thompson, and Connor Wakehoff. From Miss Neff's class, Jaden Bogovic, Emily Kogan, Justin Fellenstein, Benny Kirk, Peyton Libert, Grayson Makar, and Liam Walters. From Mrs. Sindrick's class, Corbin Bissett, Cordy Bissett, Tyler Burkhart, Olivia Canatano, Liam Fielder, Gigi Harps, Michaela Herda, Peyton Nolan, Victoria Prangetta, Ashley Presserin, Reed Stucker, and Charlie Yoke. From Miss Hill's class, Willow Armold, Lucinda Cuff, Kylan Frank, Elena Gagliardi, Kylie Gromowski, Brooklyn Hall, Mason Lahuda, Jackson Rhodes, Jack Sebring, Lydia Stockman, and Charlie Zagaric. From Mrs. Klasurik's class, Belle Anderson, Martina Bajak, Brooke Barthelms, Jacob Brocious, Dania Caldwell, Mackenzie Funk, Dylan Gutu, Josh Palinkis, Nevaeh Payerchin, Gianna Rubino, Maria Schwickerath, Jake Stevenson, and L.A. Tomlin. From Mrs. Nowak's class, Katie Booth, R.J. Byram, Des Cook, Colin Epp, Lexi Grubb, Caden Hadeen, Yanni Howard, Mario Nuti, Kaylin O'Neill Salisbury, Aaron Platts, Brianne Pollock, and Jordan Simsick. From Miss Burtis' class, Dylan Barthelms, Madeline Beaumier, Ashley Berger, Emmett Carney, Cameron Dietrich, Zoe Hammond, Anavia Hobley-Smith, Reese Holland, Jack Kennedy, Abby Nadasak, Haley Nadasak, Luke Palmer, Garrett Remner, and Juliana Stow. From Mrs. Riddle's class, Gianna Collini, Nick Cummins, Jolene Duke, Vaughn Epp, Kaylee Hall, Adelina Kirkpatrick, Reese Layton, Paxton Libbert, Alexa Moss, Adam Musan, Krina Patel, Andrew Peterson, and Amir Williams. From Mr. Vinborg's class, McKenna Apel, Jacob Dauenhauer, Nathan DeFlorio, Anna DePoy, Joey Hart, Mallory Klingenberg, Adam Morgan, Bryn O'Neill, Jalen Payerchin, Nathan Sabin, Mark Samus, Christian Solis, Kira Stockman, Cedric Tongson, and Adriana Vukancic. I am so impressed by all of the minutes you guys are logging each and every day. Keep up the awesome work and progress in iReady Reading and Math. Now it's time to recognize our Honor Roll and Merit Roll students. Honor Roll in 4th grade, Dania Caldwell, Elena Gagliardi, Yanni Howard, Jackson Rhodes, Nevaeh Payerchin, Bree Pollock, Maria Schwickerath, Reed Stuckert, Lorelei Trifoletti, and Charlie Zagaric. In 5th grade, Madeline Beaumier, Ashley Berger, Gianna Collini, Cameron Dietrich, Nathan DeFlorio, Jolene Duke, Vaughn Epp, Memphis Friel, Joey Hart, Inavia Hobley-Smith, Reese Holland, Paxton Libbert, Bryn O'Neill, Krina Patel, Bella Patterson, Andrew Peterson, Christian Solis, Kira Stockman, Cedric Tongson, and Stevie Pushy. All of those kids deserve a big round of applause for getting all A's in the 2nd quarter. On to our merit roll. These are kids who earned all A's and B's. In 4th grade, Martina Bajak, Brooke Barthelms, Cordy Bissett, RJ Byram, Olivia Canatano, Desmond Cook, Mackenzie Funk, Kylie Gromowski, Dylan Gutu, Brooklyn Hall, Gigi Harps, Caden Hadeen, Sydney Kimeloidis, Ashlyn McKinney, Mario Nuti, Kaylin O'Neill Salisbury, Josh Palinkis, Aaron Platts, Victoria Prangetta, Jake Stevenson, and Lydia Stockman. And in 5th grade, McKenna Apel, Dylan Barthelms, Emmett Carney, Anna DePoy, Kaylee Hall, Zoe Hammond, Adelina Kirkpatrick, Mackenzie McCall, Adam Morgan, Alexa Moss, Abby Natasak, Haley Natasak, Luke Palmer, Jalen Payerchin, Garrett Remner, Nate Sabin, and Adriana Vukancic. Amazing work. Awesome job, Team Fairfax. I can't wait until next month, and I hope to say all of your names more than once. Keep rocking and rolling, and have a great day, Team Fairfax.